Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering on and preheating the Delonghi for 10 minutes to reach 96 degrees C. This stabilizes pressure and extraction. While it warms, fill the removable tank to at least 200 ml so the pump primes correctly and you avoid sputtering. Grind fresh beans and dose precisely. Dose 7 grams for single or 14 grams for double shots, using a scale for consistency. Check the portafilter basket is dry. Distribute grounds evenly, and be ready to tamp immediately after dosing to preserve crema and temperature. Set your grind to a fine espresso texture and target an extraction time of 25 to 30 seconds to balance sweetness and acidity. After dosing, level the puck and tamp with about 15 kg of pressure. Maintain a flat, even surface and wipe rim to prevent channeling. Lock the portafilter into the group head firmly and start the brew immediately to avoid heat loss. Watch flow. Begin with a narrow stream that widens into a honey-like flow, and stop when volume matches your desired shot yield. Before steaming, purge the steam wand for 2 seconds to expel water and ensure dry steam. Position the tip just below the milk surface and create a whirlpool to develop microfoam. Heat and texture milk to 65 degrees C for lattes and 60 degrees C for cappuccinos, monitoring with a thermometer or by touch. Stop steaming once target temperature is reached. After service, wipe and purge the wand again, empty the drip tray, and backflush weekly with the recommended cleaning solution to descale and maintain valves, seals, and pump longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.